Hello everyone, so in this video I'm teaching you on how to make a web design. I used strawberry topping sauce, and then I used chocolate topping sauce. But if you don't have this topping sauce, you can just use ordinary chocolate. Just melt your chocolate in a double boiler and then use it to achieve your web design. So you're gonna see how I achieved it on this cake. It can be achieved on a buttercream cake. In fact, any cake that has to do with frosting, but cream cakes, this design can be achieved on the cream cake. Okay, so here we go with the web design. It's not difficult. It's just for you to watch how I got to achieve it. But you can use, like I said, strawberry sauce or chocolate. And even if you don't have the topping sauce like I showed in this video, no problem. You can melt your chocolate in a double boiler or in a microwave, and then you do this web design. Okay, so I want you to watch this part and then watch it carefully to see how I got to achieve the design on this cake. Also, if you're wondering where I got my topping sauce, well, it's available in different kind of baking stores. It's something, it's common. It's not something that you can like waste your time to search. In any baking stores, whether offline or online, you can get this topping sauce. The name of this brand is called Vision. Okay, it's called Vision. And if you probably rewind the video back again, you're gonna see the name of the brand. So it's called Vision. There are other good brands out there. There's one that's called Miesta. I think I know these two, Miesta and Vision. That's for this topping sauce. So I hope you understand that part. So by the time you're done drawing the line, then you have to use your kebab stick or a suya stick to rule the line. Okay, after you're done with this step, then you turn the cake to achieve the main web design. You turn the cake. Now for some people they leave it this way, but for me I don't like it. I have to turn my cake and then use my suya stick or a kebab stick to rule a line starting from the center. So I don't know how to explain this for you guys to understand, but I hope if you watch the video all over again, you get to understand how to make this web design. So it's not something that is actually difficult, rather it's something that is easy. If you want to practice it, or probably you don't have a cake at the moment and you wish to practice it, you can actually do this on the cake board or on the table, either a white table on a white cake board. Okay, and then I think I'm done with this. I have to turn the cake to see how beautiful it is, and I'm sure you guys can see it's beautiful, right? I love the outcome of it, and it's very, very beautiful. Please guys, pardon the noise from the background. When you have kids at home like this, the noise is just something else. So I just have to record this because there's no time for me to do that anymore. So guys, I apologize for that. Okay, so you see how beautiful it's looking, and then most times I like to give it a fizzy, just like what I'm doing right now. You can just freestyle it. If you don't want to do it, you can leave it, but for me I love to freestyle my web design. Alright guys, so that's how to make a web design. You can see how beautiful it is. Like, I love it. I love the different color, the chocolate and the strawberry. You can also use caramel. Then the remaining one is just for me to decorate the top of the cake. Just decorate, just to give it more nice finishing and a beautiful look. Guys, I hope this cake is beautiful in your eye, despite the fact it's a single layer cake. This is a 10 inches cake and just one layer, and it's so beautiful. I love how it turned out to be. So what is, you can use this kind of cake to practice. Okay, even if you don't have the cake, you can just get the pan, or you get a dummy, use a buttercream to practice, and then to get something as beautiful as this one, right? I think that's it. The next one is my toppings. I used cherry toppings. You can use any available toppings you have. You can use the chocolate toppings. You can use any type of toppings that's available. There's strawberries, there's there's chocolates, there's transfer sheets. I'm sure you guys must have gotten the video of how to make your own chocolates and transfer. This is a transfer sheet I'm holding right now. Just if you have any beautiful toppings that is edible, of course you can use it to beautify your cakes. Okay, so guys, I hope you understand how to I hope you understand how I got to achieve this beautiful look on this cake, and I want you to try yours and send me your feedback. If you have any question, of course, please let me know, and I'll definitely answer your questions. Okay, so once again, thanks so much for your time, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.
Remember